Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel Cookalicious Kitchen, where we make amazing recipes. Well, today I know you are going to love this recipe. We are going to make dodo pizza because I know that you love plantain just like me, and if you do, guys, sit back, let's go right into the cooking process. Now for this recipe, you're going to need your eggs and every other thing you use in making your eggs, including your plantain. So you're going to fry your plantain. Now, in a clean pan, salt your oil, add your onion and fry until it's translucent. Add your tomato and every other ingredient you would want to cook and fry until it's ready. Add your seasoning, add your salt, add your curry, add whatever you want to add at this point. Fry and let it cool down. Then mix your egg, add your milk into it and add your cool down content into the egg and whisk properly. Layer your plantain like this and add your content into your plantain. Make sure all parts is well coated. Now you can garnish your plantain with any fruit or vegetable of your choice. Now you're going to cook this on a low heat for 5 to 8 minutes and voila, our pizza is ready. When you see this egg white come up on it, know it is cooked and ready to be devoured. Guys, hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you in my other videos. Bye.